Welcome to our AP Stats lesson, where we'll be learning about histograms, mosaic plots, and most importantly, dogs. And this is our teaching assistant, Winston. He specializes in quality control. This is our honorary teaching assistant, Bailey, who is not amused that she's not getting paid for this. Our survey collected data on the sizes of dogs owned by high school students. As you can see, we have a medium puppy here. Excuse me, would you consider yourself to be small, medium, or large? The data is shown in a two-way table. First, we need to set up the widths of our mosaic plot. Those depend on the amount of boys and girls we have in our sample. Since there are 40 out of 60 total boys, they will take up 2/3 of our graph, and the girls will take up the remaining 1/3. The y-axis of a mosaic plot is always percent. That means we have to find the percent of each group. Since there are 8 out of 40 boys who have small dogs, 8 divided by 40 is 0.2 or 20%. Eat for medium and large. 14 divided by 40 is 0.35 or 35%. And 18 divided by 40 is 45%. 20% of boys own small dogs. 35% of boys own medium dogs. That brings us to 55%, and the rest own large dogs. We had to repeat the same process for the girls. We found that 12 out of 20 girls had small dogs. 12 divided by 20 is 0.6 or 60%. The same for medium and large. So for medium, 6 out of 20 is 30% and 2 out of 20 is 10%. Now we've finished our mosaic graph. Since the boys section in the mosaic graph is bigger, it shows that our sample size has more boys in it. The mosaic graph shows a distribution of dog sizes among boys and girls. As you can see, that boys had a larger percentage of large dogs, and girls had a larger percentage of small dogs. And that's our mosaic graph. The second part of our survey asked students how many pounds their dogs weighed. These are the numbers.
Hi, I'm Noor. This is my dog that weighs about 8 pounds.
This is my golden retriever, Bailey. She's 8 years old, and she weighs about 75 pounds.
Hi, my name is Jules Newton. My dog is named Nala, and she weighs 85 pounds.
Hi, my name is Sarah Roach, and my dog's name is Tucker, and he weighs about 35 pounds.
First, press Stat, Edit, and enter your data into L1. As you can see, all of our data is entered. Then we go to second, Y equals. Choose Plot 1 and make sure it's on. Then choose the histogram option and select Zoom 9. There's our histogram. Choose Trace to show the values. Thanks for watching. Our dogs personally approved this message, and we hope you learned something.
Just like the wind.